G'day everyone, it's another Temu time, and the reason for this Temu time is I have discovered something very interesting about Temu lights. When they say you're buying a string of lights that are 5 meters long, they're right, it is 5 meters long, but it's 5 meters counting the cable between the solar panel and where the lights begin. So generally you'll get a couple of meters of that cable, but only 3 meters of lights. It's still not bad, so I went off and bought some more. I haven't finished doing the video of the lights out because it's been too wet to film out there at night, and I want to get these ones in to show what the overall effect is. But they're looking good at the moment, most of them. Let's see what we've got. Okay. First one we have. I'll open this up because it's a bit hard to work out what it is exactly. It's a set of little ball lights. I'll open it carefully because there's lots of loose stuff in here. Like that. And I don't know what that is, but we shall try and work it out. As usual, prices will be up there, I think. It's this one, right. So this one is just a bunch of little lights that flop around like so. Solar panel here for them. Put the stake in there. Pointy bit in there. And there we have it. So that sticks in the ground, and we should have some lights which should float around like so. So there's just a couple of stationary ones. We'll put them where they're going to get a little bit of light, but under a bush. And we'll have to get that protective label off the solar panel. Okay, it's got a sticker on the bottom. And it's got modes. There we go. Oh, look at that. Very pretty. See what other modes it does. That's about it. Okay, we'll put that other one together. So that's 2 of them for whatever the amount was that was up there. And we'll just they sort of spread out. If you stretch them a little bit, you can sort of curve them out a little bit. Take the cover off, turn it on, and there we go. So we really want to try and spread these out a little bit. Don't look too bad, actually. Not sure how long this metal will last, but the plastic up here and the lights seem pretty good. Oh, and it's just turned on because I've turned them on their side. Next one is just a decoration because I know this is the sort of thing my lovely wife likes. And it's a set of sunflowers which we can hopefully spread out a little bit. Again, just fits on a little stalk like so. Same sort of quality, looks like exactly the same solar panel. These do tilt a little bit, but only in the wrong direction, I think. Be better if they tilted downwards, but you can't change that. There we go. Not easy to see in this light, but they're just a subtle little yellowish light that should come out from those. I much prefer real sunflowers. But again, we're not doing this for me, we're doing this for Lady Curmudgeon. So I'll put them near the path so you can see them easily. Next we have something that's non-gardening related. It's a sprayer for our tap behind me, so we'll just ignore that one. We have a nice compostable cardboard box, and this is similar to one that I bought before. You won't worry about the instructions. And it's got a whole bunch of little stakes and they're mini pedestal ones. So let's put one together. And I've got a nice long skewer on them, that's good. And it goes in there. On-off switch underneath. Quite bright. That looks pretty good actually, and I'll run those down the path out the front. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them for that amount. Those look pretty good. They're not an expensive plastic by any means. Very small solar panel on them, but if they last a few years, they'll be good. All right, I'm not going to put them all together now, so we'll pop those over here. Actually, we'll pop these down here. And what's our next one? Very similar to that one, only it's much smaller. These are probably better by the path actually. So we've got our, they're all on a string, like so. And this is another one of those ones that'll say it's 5 meters long, but it's really only 2 or 3 meters long. We have a small uplight. Let's turn it on. And there we go. Change mode. And if it's got it just straight on. Yeah, so it has a always on mode, which is what we'll use. So there's a whole heap of these. As I said, I'm not sure how long it says it was, but it doesn't say. But I expect this part of the cable will be quite long, and the part with all the lights on it won't be that long. So anyway, what I expected, looks like it's a reasonable quality. I wouldn't say they're bright by any means, but we don't want glaring lights, we just want a bit of mood lighting. So there's that one. And I think we have one more. We do. And I think this is just a single one we're going to hang in a tree. Again, nice compostable cardboard box, which is what we like to see. But all wrapped in non-compostable bubble plastic. And there we go. Little hanging LED one. We'll put that out somewhere nice. Somewhere fairly obvious. And it looks like it's high quality, but it isn't. It's, again, very cheap plastic. We'll see if it works with our on switch. I think it's on. Oh, yep, there it is. And it's just a bit of a light to hang somewhere in a tree. So that could be quite nice, I think. So we're going to get all of these out. This is the last lot I'm going to do before I complete the filming of everything outside. We'll show you what they're like, or where they're placed during daylight, and then we'll go out and have a look what they look like at night. Hopefully the frogs will be out and you'll be able to hear them too. Lots and lots of frogs out there. Motorbike frog. Here's a pic of him. They're a cute little fella. They eat the mozzies, so frog good. Make sure you like, subscribe, click that notification bell. That's really important. I'd really appreciate it if you hit that so you can come back and see the videos when I put them up. But we'll be back with all of these out and you can see what they look like at night. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.